Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial with software design. Today I want to teach you how you can convert this text effect to your own given text effect. First, I'll be using Corridor to draft the text my own option to change to. So first I will go to Corridor here, open, then open Corridor. Then from here I'll write I want to change that particular name to party. So I'll give it a good font style here. I'll be using Montserrat for example. Change it. I'll be moving Montserrat to let's make it bold, and then let's reduce it a bit. Or I want it to join, yes, something like let it be a bit creative like this. So now export this text. Now you have to export it to PNG by pressing Ctrl E. Then I will select desktop here. Let me change party. Then from here change to PNG so that it will be transparent for you to use. Then you first click on export from here, then click on OK. Let's go to our desktop now and see. For example, yes, you can see it from here. It's not showing clearly because of the PNG. So let's open our text effect, and then from here where they have written your design here, that is it means that you should place your design here. That is the meaning of that. Click here, double click on it, and then look at the previous one that they have done, which is mother. And then from here you press delete on your keyboard, then click here, hold and drag to your Photoshop here, drop, then scale it up, pressing alternate on your keyboard to scale it to this point like this, so that it won't move, it won't distort it. Then click on this mark, that is to commit transform, that is to make it scale better. Enter. For it, the resolution is back now. Then click to readjust from here so that it will be in the center. Then say Ctrl S. As you finish saving, go back to your design. You have successfully seen that it has changed that particular text to party. So now, for how to use it in your design now, first of all, you close, that is the background. You remove every other thing from this background. You just need this particular text only. Then let's leave the addition, the text. We'll remove the text, the background. We'll remove we'll close every other thing, element. We'll close. Let's close this pink. We'll close the background. Then I think which other thing is remaining from here? I think that's all. And we'll remove this. I think this will hide this, and then this is the only thing that's remaining. Then from here you click on your file, then click on export, then export as quick PNG. Click on export as quick PNG. Then from here use desktop and then save. You can save with any file name and then click save. From here we can go to our desktop, refresh so that we can see. We're trying to, yes, look at it up here, this first one. Then click and copy, bring to your correct setting, and then paste here. You can see this is the party text you are using. So but then we mistakenly left this fully edited, but you can as well crop it from here, and then you can use it in your design. Let's adjust. Let's give it a background here, and then you place this by pressing shift page up for it to come up. Yes, and then you can apply this to your design. It's not just for this particular text effect, but you can use it in your numerous text effects all round. It doesn't really matter. So thank you, and subscribe for more updates.